Hello everybody, my name is Ed, and welcome to the demo for Dev Hell, or Dev_Hell, as it's called. So, I think from what I saw, this game is kinda like a deck builder, but in the space of a development team, which I think is an interesting concept and would be worth checking out. And already the presentation on this game is phenomenal. Because it's a desktop. And like, look at that. You can even see the time and date that I'm actually recording this, which is nice. I like that. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, even with the main menu, you have to double click the icon to open it up, which is funny. And it's all made out to be like different coding and developing screens, which is funny. Even for like the settings. Yeah, I think this is going to be a very fun and interesting game to play, so yeah. Let's go ahead and check it out, shall we? Welcome to Dev_Hell. In this demo, you can play through Phase 1 of Acts 1 and 2. In the full game, acts change over time as you progress through the story. There is also triple the cards. This demo is a work in progress. Please share any feedback you have so we can continue to improve the experience. Believe me, I'll have plenty to say after I'm done with this. Oh, okay, the end's moving on its own. Code now. Maggie, you must be the new dev. Welcome to Code Now. We're so glad you're here. Come this way. We need to get you set up right away. Man, look at this office. You can see they're trying to be nice and chill about it while still being professional in some way. Hang in there. We just got a bit of paperwork to get through. Oh, an NDA, of course. Please select the speed you'd like to experience your employment at Code Now. Skip most walking between encounters, fast forward all of the movements. Walk between encounters in real time, click to speed walk. I think for this we're just gonna go fast paced. We're all set. Grab some coffee on your way out. It's always coffee. Code Now. Coffee. I have a good feeling about you. Oh, hello. So, ready to dive in? Good. Take a seat. You can start by setting up your local. My what? Oh, and the last guy left this. Might be helpful. Receive a basic code whenever you run out of solutions to draw from. Gain 2 reputation if you complete a match without deploying a basic code solution. Okay. Sorry about Peely, by the way. They made him mandatory after the incident. Don't ask, long story. Just don't go down any rabbit holes. Fair. Welcome to Code Monkey. I'm Peely. Oh. Oh? I'm here to make sure you don't slip up. Let's get your local dev environment set up. Click on Band-Aid solution. Expires when the count reaches 0. Now deploy your solution. Click on the empty slot. The green number is your code output. This value represents your programming abilities and technical implementation. I think that's what it said. The purple number is your influence output. This value represents your communication skills and reputation management. But not all solutions output code are influence. The lock icon on this opposing issue indicates that it does not output code. Meanwhile, the X means that this issue cannot be influenced or affected by influence at all. You'll only be able to resolve this issue through code, so don't waste your influence. You can't talk yourself out of this one. Now execute your solution. Click the compile button. Let's see if this crashes. Phew, you did it, but you're not done yet. To resolve an issue, you must reduce either its code or influence value to -1. Concentration will be required to deploy more solutions. You can see the concentration cost of a solution here. You naturally gain 1 concentration per turn, but you'll be needing more than that. Click on Lo-Fi Hip Hop. Oh my god, Lo-Fi. Listening to music always helps me focus. Let's put on those lo-fi beats. Click on the unopposed empty slot. Run your code again. Click to compile. Eureka! Lo-fi hip-hop generated an extra concentration. Band-Aid solution also successfully resolved the opposing issue and expired. All temporary solutions will expire as soon as their counter reaches 0. Looks like you'll need 1 more concentration in order to resolve the last 2 issues here. Coffee can help you focus in order to gain an extra concentration once per turn. Click on the mug to take a sip. Coffee is unlimited, but remember, you must make time in your schedule to refill it. Coffee breaks are tempting, but may not always be the wisest choice, so sip carefully. Now, let's take a look at your credentials. This issue might be some kind of error. Oh, this icon indicates this issue is a bug. Certain types of issues are best handled with specialized solutions. Deploy debug to resolve the bug with your credentials. Okay. Debug evaluated the issue it was up against. Debug evaluated the issue it is up against was, in fact, a type of bug. Therefore, it became a conditionally persistent solution. Smart move using logic to your benefit. Logical conditions can make your solutions dynamic based on the issue you're facing. Now that you got the hang of things, resolving this last issue should be a breeze. I'll make like a banana and leave. I don't think that's how the saying goes. So it looks like the only thing that I can really do is like Band-Aid solution. Okay, let's see how this goes. So that takes care of the bug. Uh-oh, you ran out of solutions. Since you have Coding 101, you'll get a basic code every time you can't draw. Learning to manage your solutions wisely is the first step on your journey to success. Gathering a bunch of solutions to choose from will ensure you always find the right answer for the problem at hand. Anyways, I've got a split. I'll be back, whether you like it or not. Request clarity. Draws 1 card when played. Okay, so I can play any card. There we go. Local setup complete. Alright, let's break down solutions. Learning how to find and choose the one that's ones that best fit your work style is critical for success. Spaghetti code can output 2 code. Not a bad value, but it can't be modified. Meanwhile, agile methodology can output both 1 code and 1 influence, but will require more concentration to deploy. But look, unlike the spaghetti solution, it has an open slot to install a custom mod. There's tons of ways to get mods, I'm sure you'll figure it out. Lastly, this is a targeted solution. It can be played against any issue or solution with a code value of at least 0. It will remove 2 code from the target and then be deleted for the rest of the encounter. Now choose carefully. Don't go overthink it or you might end up going bananas. I hate you. Okay, I see. 1 concentration per turn. Player's powerful solution. Alright, I think... Give me the agile methodology. I want to try that one out. You should probably meet the other devs. This is Kyle. What you in for? Oh, Okay. I like the code, gotta pay rent, crippling medical debt. I gotta pay rent. Ah, yes, gotta keep the landlords happy. Nothing like kissing half your paycheck goodbye. Just for a roof over your head, am I right? Spaghetti Mountain? AI Copilot, ugh. Does not output influence. Oh, but it can be modified 3 times. And then serious hack. They all require 4 concentration, so... give me the AI Copilot. Oh, Lydia failed to mention one thing. Everybody gets a company-issued phone to make sure you never leave the work behind. Look down. It should be on your desk right there. And there it is. Ooh. Hey, it's me again. Looks like you've picked up your company phone. Now you've got access to CodeMonkey Mobile. AFK? No excuse to not stay on top of your task. Keep tabs on issues, coworkers, schedule. To put it away, simply tap outside the screen. Ring, ring, ring. Banana phone out. Careful, they track everything you do with that. But I can show you how to disable... Kyle! Stop being a bad influence. Well, someone's got to balance you out. Hi, I'm Sophie. Hey, Sophie. Why don't you show the newbie the break room? Okay, let's go. Okay. It's so exciting to have another dev here. You seem way cooler than the last one. So this is our break room, and over there is the coffee. Do you like coffee? I personally do not like coffee, but for the sake of this game, yeah. Good. You'll need a high tolerance to get by like the rest of us. Better get a refill before we go. You know, speaking of coffee, I'm gonna have a sip of my monster here. Ah, it's good. Read it. Gain 1 concentration per turn. Solution cannot be removed by delete. Expires when the counter reaches 0. Burnout. Deletes target. Gain 4 concentration when played. Ooh. Gain 1 concentration per turn. Give me the burnout. I guess there's nothing I can do to, like, flavor up my coffee. Oh, one more thing. Code Now's got a company store. You can spend kudos there, which you earn by going above and beyond. Check back, because there's always new stuff. Pick something. I'll buy you a first day treat. Kudos. Ah, I see. Granola bar. One card on execute, gain 1 concentration when played. Removed from your deck after play. Banana. 2 concentration replayed. Mini donuts. Draw 2 cards on execute. I like the granola bar. Oh, I was gonna buy that. There is a box of granola bars left there. You can still buy that. Just kidding. Let's go code. Oh, don't do that to me. Now then. So what do we got here? It's time to get to work. Let's talk feature development. This is your currently assigned feature. Your deadline to finish is end of sprint. This feature requires 6 commits to complete. Your unopposed code will route to this input. Filling up the meter will complete a commit and award 1 kudos each time. Each subsequent commit will require more code. 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. A la Fibonacci. This resets back to 3 every dev session. Opposing code that enters this input will lower your current commit progress. Warning, your current commit progress can go negative, so make sure to block code output from opposing issues. You can hover over a feature to view details about rewards in your current progress. Completing features can grant a variety of different rewards. You have 8 compiles or turns to push as much code as you possibly can. Keep an eye on the turn counter so your work doesn't go rotten. Time is of the essence. Okay. Completing features. Oh, wait. Oh, I see. There we go. So got my concentration up. Now I can play any of these. And I think for this, draw a card. Increase influence value by 1. That was the right thing to do, right? Our card is drawn and I got some concentration. Okay, so maybe putting request clarity there was not such a good idea. Ooh. A local issue. Heads up, as you just saw, issues will execute as soon as they enter the screen. If you don't watch out even this phishing email could tarnish your reputation. Listen closely, I'll help you get off the hook. This issue is currently staged, meaning it's upcoming work that's just out of view. Hover the issue to take a peek. Staged issues will enter after your next compile and then execute. The underlying value means this will output influence. So gain reputation when depleted, does not output code. Hey, it's me, your brother. If any influence output reaches this input, it will decrease your current reputation. If your reputation reaches 0, you will be terminated. Yikes. But don't worry, if you made a mistake, you can use special actions to save your skin. Damage control will give you a simple blocker to protect your reputation. Meanwhile, delete will remove one of your solutions if you need to make room. Reputation risks are a constant, so keep your eyes peeled. Okay, I see, and then there's a refresh before I can do anything about it. Band-Aid solution might help for this right here. Gotta find out a way to get rid of... Oh, I might have something for the welcome email. There we go. Ooh. Not good. Okay, so I have 3 concentration. I can put that into something like... Oh, I'll probably have to do agile methodology to get rid of the phishing email. Minor bug, and I did see I have debug. Missing concentration though, so I can't do that. I can do burnout to get rid of the methodology. It fills me up with concentration, so I can end up playing debug. And then I might have to do Band-Aid solution. I'll do it on the welcome email. Or, wait. Syntax error. And then a low-hanging fruit. Ooh, alright. Okay, so the syntax error won't show up because Hello World is in the way. Basic code. Guess if I wanted to, I could put Band-Aid solution right here. Yeah, and it looks like it will help me with my commit progress. Still don't have enough for basic code. No, I do. Alright, I think that should do. Development complete. Looks like you've got some mods. Pick one and we'll get... Yeah, pick one and we'll go install it. Code value by 1, influence by 1. Ignores code and influence output 2 times. Limited to persistent and temporary solutions or issues. Let's go for code. let's head over to the deck screen. You can see your new mod in your stash. Up to 4 mods can be stashed at a time. Hover on the mod to get a preview of all the possible slots where it can be installed. Ah, I see. Be careful though, mods are not easy to remove. Once you're ready, click and drag the mod over an empty slot to install it on a solution. So if I put it on a band-aid solution, I'd be able to do 2 instead of 1, which is pretty good. Yeah, why don't I do that? I'll put one of them onto a band-aid solution. Oh, it looks like, oh, it's like Discord. I'm busy at the moment, but you should go introduce yourself to Cecilia and Griffin, the project and product manager. I want to ask them about the roadmap. Warning, like a lot of people in this office, the two of them don't exactly... Oh, sorry, I don't know, this feels hard to read it for me. Two of them don't exactly see eye to eye. Don't worry if you're forced to take a side. There's no world where they're both happy. Anyways, afterwards you should check in with Sergey so he can show you our process for QA. I added your schedule to your planner. Switch to that tab to see what to do next. Planner? Ah. So Cecilia and Griffin. So I have to talk to both of them, I assume. But I have to choose. So, possible rewards. Kudos, card mod, random card, coworker relation, and quest progress. Kudo, random card. Oh, you don't give me a card mod. Yeah, sorry. Ah, I see you found my office. Looks like you got your senses about you. Yeah, sorry, Cecilia. I'm Griffin. Pleasure to meet you. Lydia said there's a roadmap. Yeah, I'd better say that one. Oh, that's Cecilia's job. Make sure to mention it next time you see her. Trust me, she'll have a lot to say. She's quite opinionated on the subject. Awaken spaghetti. Target outputs code immediately even if the output is disabled. Draws 1 spaghetti type card and execute. Target spaghetti type solutions. Coroutine. Okay, it just has 2 code and no influence, but it can be modded 3 times. And then Daydreaming. No code or influence, but it does have 3 mods. Alright, so I still have to get my intro with Cecilia, but I'm just gonna be not liked by her as much. Oh, you're here. What have they told you? Lydia said there's a roadmap. Griffin's supposed to give it to you. You might need to pry it away from him. But he does in fact have it somewhere. I wish you luck. You'll need it. Targets a 0+ code solution or issue. Decreases target's code by 2. Targets a 0+ influence solution or issue. Decreases target's influence by 1. I think this one seems a little bit more important right now. Your coffee's looking a little dry. You should get more. I probably should, yeah. Coffee. Work with Sergey to eliminate as many bugs as possible. Take on additional bugs for extra rewards. Hi, welcome. I'm Sergey. You got a nice little snack pile right there. It's time to squash bugs, yes? Okay, choose now how many you fix. Squash more and I will be happy. Weird wallpaper, whatever. Okay. So this one's mandatory. I guess that's... Small pet peeves that fixing will make Sergey very happy. Bugs that must be done before lunch. Launch. I can't read. I think for this, we're just going to stick with the mandatory one. Alright, we got 2 minor bugs coming in. Welcome to debugging. You have but one simple goal. Kill them all. Bugs are color-coded and correspond with your selections on the previous screen. Hover here to highlight them on the screen. Oh, yep. Alright. Feature development is disabled. Focus on bug squashing only. Meet your quotas or else you get nothing. Neither of them output influence, and they have no code. Can't say that's going to be a problem. Here they are. Oh, we got a moderate bug here, I see. Gonna need to gain a little concentration. So that's one bug gone. Okay, I'm gonna hold off on nitpick, because that's not gonna help me right now. Alright, and debug is gonna continue to work as it should. What should I do? I could do subroutine, that might help. Yeah, because it'll increase influence by 1, I think, next turn. And that'll squash this minor bug. Oh, never mind, I did it. Bugs exterminated. Time to get inspired. An inspiration solution is a powerful one to behold. Let's see here, how inspired are you? Oh, you are not very inspired. Oh well, enlightenment doesn't come that easily. Inspiration can come from anywhere, so make sure to keep an open mind. While inspiration is persistent between matches, it'll be lost at the end of the sprint. So use it or lose it. All spaghetti solutions on the board gain 1 code and influence. 4 code, 2 influence, and it's got 2 mods. Draw 2 cards on execution. I'll take inspired idea. And I got 1 inspiration from that. So it looks like what we got next is development. Work on completing your features for the current sprint. Okay. Squashing bugs makes me hungry. Here, I share a snack. So either I take something or I say no and he gets mad at me. Yes, enjoy. Okay, please leave now. Cookies! 3 concentration when played. 3 cards, 1 concentration removed. Draws 1 consumable when expired. Okay, give me the cookies. Cookie! God, I think once I'm done with this, I'm gonna get myself a cookie. A simple mistake. 1 concentration when depleted. Ooh. It's got bad influence, man. I wish I had better cards to draw. There. Gonna keep that there just to keep it from ruining my influence. Ah! Well, that didn't work. Okay, so here's the thing. Yeah, gain 4 concentration when played. Okay, so it neither outputs code or influence. Same with the clueless email. They're just gonna be there. Increases code value by 1. Alright, so I think what I might have to do... If I play Band-Aid solution here... Oh, I don't have enough concentration. Oh, an issue just entered the buffer. The orange light is your warning. There's no way of knowing exactly what might be awaiting you in the buffer, but if another issue happens to enter, buffer overflow. All the backed up issues will combine into one really big one. For your sake, stay on top of your work. If you're not careful, buffer overflows can severely damage your reputation. Ooh, okay, so that simple mistake has to go. Alright, so I want to get rid of Band-Aid solution. And let's say I put... Yeah, the influence shield right there. Alright, let's try this. Okay. So the spike ticket is going to go away on its own, but I don't know how to get rid of that clueless email. Cookies. I think I might hold on to nitpick. I might have an idea of what to do with it. Okay, that cost 1. Lo-fi hip-hop cost 1, but I do get some concentration, so... There. Alright, that's gone. That's another one gone. I have 3 concentration now. So I think what I'll do is I'll nitpick the simple mistake. So that way this turn, agile methodology will be able to get rid of it. And then the subroutine... Or wait, no. Let me put request clarity here. There we go. Build my concentration back up. Okay, AI Copilot is still up and it will get rid of the failure cascade. Or at least should. I really don't want to get rid of anything right now. Let's see, none of them are bugs. Yeah, I think this will be fine. Alright, AI Copilot is still working as is. Subroutine. And I guess I can go ahead and get rid of request clarity because it's just taking up some space. And instead I'll put Band-Aid solution. Oh, whoops, I didn't mean to drink my coffee. Okay, the clueless email is still there. Yeah, there's not much else I can do. Alright. Gain 1 concentration. Ignore influence output 1 time. Code output 1 time. Give me the concentration. Okay, I see. So this one's definitely going to go into daydreaming. What do we have next? Talk to Dev about how the job's going. He can help you repair your reputation or develop your career. Sure. Oh, his name's actually Dev. Okay. Hello, I'm Dev, the engineering manager. You'll be reporting to me. So, technically, I'm your boss. But just think of me as someone who's here to help. If you run into any trouble, I'm your guy. How's it going so far? Not sure, am I doing okay? My reputation's already at 20, so I'm good. Think I'm set. Wait, what's the workflow? A little overwhelmed, huh? Don't worry. Your teammates will help you find your way. Obvious idea. Stroke of genius. Ooh, one inspiration upon expiration? I think? Oh, yeah. Linked mods execute when temporary counter reaches 0 and then I'll get inspired. Give me the obvious idea. Because I need more on influence. Company store. Squeeze in some dev at the last second to finish a feature. Oh, let's go to the company store. For one, I do need a coffee break. Coffee. Let's see, I've got 5 kudos, so what can I purchase? Anything on top, just nothing at the bottom. Overachieve poster. Each time you play an inspiration solution, gain 3 kudos. Ooh, that's nice. Increase influence value by 2 and a random mod. I'll take the banana. Oh, wait, I can take the banana in either the mini donuts or the granola bar. There we go. Healthy foods. Well, granola bar is kind of healthy. Well, I won't say it smoothly, but we made it to the end of the sprint. Sophie, fill us in. What's the status of video management for Record? Uploading, downloading, editing are all hooked up. Plus you can color code your drafts. Ooh, very nice. I approve. Kyle? Exactly how much time did you put into security? Enough to call it done. At this point, it may not be clear how important it is that we do this right. Out of curiosity, has it ever occurred to you that you might be taking things too seriously? I feel like you don't take things seriously enough. This isn't the time to half-ass your tickets, Kyle. Look, I don't tie my self-worth to my work. I don't tie my self-worth... Oh, okay, I get it now. Doesn't mean I don't know the risk, or stakes. You say that, but... Do you hear that? That's the sound of my brain shutting off. Bye! How are things going for you? Any bugs? I could use some inspiration. Sergey seemed pleased. A happy Sergey makes for a happy office. I got my inspiration back. Need anything? You keeping your head above water? Honestly, I'm drowning a little. Just learned to breathe underwater. I could use a mod. Want me to send a lifeboat? Can't promise it won't tank too. But at the rate you're sinking. Kidding. Take it easy. Ooh, increase code value by 2. Yes. Alright then. As for my update... Wait a minute. This isn't even my code. This code is... abysmal. Kyle, did you mess with my work? If by I messed up, or messed with, you mean fixed. Anyways, done is better than good. Not when other people need to read it. If you weren't off on side quest, you could have weighed in before now. Here we go again. Don't you guys have better things to do? Yes, we're getting off track. We gotta get this work pushed out. You ready for code review? Yeah, sure. Time to put your skills to the test. Let's see what you got. Wait, hold on. What are these? Okay. I think I get this, but let's find out. Time has come to review your code. The team has left comments to call out all of your problems and mistakes. Completing features reduces comments and increases the time you have to address them. You have until the counter reaches 0 to be able to address each comment. Failure to properly address a comment in time will result in you losing 2 reputation. However, if you do succeed, you will instead receive 2 kudos for a job well done. Props. Remember, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to survive. Okay. Alright, so I do have Inspired Idea. And that will offer me 2 cards when expired? Yes, when it expires. This should be good, right? If I want, I could go ahead and play lo-fi hip-hop. God, I've only got 2 turns to get rid of these, so I have to be careful. Now let's see. Granola bar, yep, gimme. Okay, neither of those are bugs. Set code to 0 to 2 randomly at the end of the turn. Okay, so I'm gonna put subroutine right here. And if I play Burnout on Lo-Fi Hip Hop, that's where I can put the AI Copilot. Alright, so that takes care of the first one. And the AI Copilot is gone. Great. I think if I do nitpick on the missing comment... Yep, that just absolutely obliterates it. And then if I play Band-Aid Solution, that'll get rid of the type mismatch. Cool, cool. Elusive bug. Okay, that's gonna be a problem. What's it say here? Issue type bug evaluates if the opposing issue on the board is a bug. Removes temporary status. Ah, okay. Okay, I'm gonna play the banana. So that way I've got some extra concentration. Ah! Oh, no. Oh, wait, actually, the Copilot's going to be able to get rid of that. This bug will be gone. Both of those bugs are going to be gone. Cool beans. Ooh. Knit. Does not output code. Or, yeah, it does not output code. And a logical error. Draws 1 card when depleted. Okay, this should be fine. Yeah, Daydreaming still offers me some... Ooh. Oh, that is not good. So how do I want to deal with this? I can play debug to get rid of the code on there. Play debug on the knit, that'll get rid of it. But then I'm gonna need something to get rid of the logical error. Alright, let's see how this goes. So that knit is gone. Oh. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so the basic code will get rid of the logical error. Same with the obvious idea for the knit. Nice. Okay, that major slip up is going to be a problem. I still got some time to figure this one out. Okay, I've got nothing but basic code at this point. Yeah, I think if anything, I'm not going to be able to... Yeah, that major slip up is going to hurt me. Ah! All my reputation is going to go down. Ugh. Oh, damn. That bumped my reputation down to 11. That sucks. Alright, I still made it through, but god, that was awful. All solutions output code immediately. Played directly with no target. Gain 5 concentration when played. Oh my god, yeah, that would be useful. Code review complete. Click to send or spend 1 inspiration to draw an inspiration solution. Draw an inspiration solution each time you gain inspiration during a match. Solutions that generate concentration gain 3 influence on deploy, but cannot output influence. Huh. Sure. Oh, and I got some reputation back. Nice. Yeah, that last one really screwed me up. Increase the code value by 2. I think that would be good for daydreaming, just to... Or, wait, hold on, do I have... I need something that increases influence so that I can put it on the other Band-Aid solution. But I think putting this one on daydreaming would be a good idea. Alright, on to the next sprint. Looks like you've got what it takes. Now get ready. Next sprint, the real work begins. Alrighty then. So I guess that's it for my workflow today. There we go, sprint 1 complete. 12 cards added to the deck, 19 kudos, and 16 renown. Sprint 2, let's go. Now that you're past your first code review, I think I could trust you to keep up. Here, take a seat. Give me your take on this new framework I'm building. Sure thing. Ooh, what is this? Teamwork makes the dream work. Are you ready to collaborate? As we all know, the best way to work together is to communicate with catchy slogans. Corporate goes bananas for keywords. Or buzzwords. Your relationship with your coworker determines what you're able to say to them. The better your dynamic together, the more options you'll have to choose from. Since you only have a neutral relationship with this coworker, you'll only be able to select options from the bottom 2 rows. The top row is off limits. You're not on that good of terms with them yet. Would want to say something out of line to the team lead. You may select one option from each column to build a 3-word phrase. The key is to speak consciously. If you choose all the options in one row, you will lock in the collaboration for the upcoming launch encounter. Locking in a future collab with good synergy to your deck will multiply your output. Aim to amplify your strengths. Mix and match from several rows in your launch collaboration will default to the one associated with your current relationship. Even if your relationship changes, your collaboration at launch time will not change as long as you secure it during the sprint. Wordsmithing can be tricky, but saying the right thing can make all the difference. So make the choice you find most appealing. Okay, so I'm guessing if I wanted to, I could just go all the way through this one. Leadership enables impact. Vision optimizes advantage. Alright, so leadership. Ooh. So yeah, go all the way through to lock in. Or if I... Yeah, okay, I got it. Bless me. So leadership enables impact. And locked in. This collab will be chosen in this sprint's launch regardless of your current relationship or relation with Lydia. Ooh, what's this? Add 1 turn to the duration of temporary solutions. And 2 turns. Oh, I can see how that'd be useful. Alright. And that gave me 1 kudo and 1 inspiration. Nice. See? That's what I'm talking about. You're well on your way to taking on even bigger, greater things. What? Like voluntary overtime? Like you would know. Okay, so I don't need coffee. Oh, the company store, right. Ooh. So I'm guessing if I go either the left or right path, I can only go that way. Alright. I guess I'll go right just because it gets me to the company store. What you drinking there? The text is so blurry I can't read it. I'm getting so anxious with launch coming up. Are you nervous? Oh, if I say there's little time, that'll give me more inspiration. There's so little time. Oh my god, right? I don't know how everyone is so calm. This deadline is insane. Okay, yep, I just got locked out of the left path, so... Company store. Solution starts at the top of the draw pile. Ooh. All solutions gain 2 influence on deploy, but cannot output influence. Gotcha. I have 12, so I think I'll go with a random mod. Granola bar. And banana. Project check-in with... I do not remember their names. Oh, product and project. Okay, that's interesting. Hope you're ready for Sprint 2. The pressure's on. Better step up. Can I help you with anything? So, about that road map. I told you to ask Griffin, didn't I? If he's gonna play dumb, 2 can play at that game. Help me and I'll make it worth your while. I'll send you a smack later with instructions. Well, there we go. Now she doesn't hate me. Okay, back to coding. What do we got here? So we've got unclear priorities, which is not good. I'm just gonna munch on this banana. Okay, so lo-fi hip-hop. Okay, so that's the thing. I don't want to play Daydreaming right here because it's gonna pop. I'll have to do request clarity. And that gets me a card. Oh, okay. Something's got to be done about that. Ignores code output and influence output from a single source one time. Oh, a harmless bug. Okay. Okay, the knit does output influence, so that's going to be a bit of an issue. Let me have a sip of that. Okay, yeah, the resilient bug doesn't output influence, so I should be able to maybe try and hurt it? We'll see. Yeah, the shield managed to stop it. That bites. Okay, I don't have burnout, which kind of... burnout would have helped me, but I don't have it right here. Ah. Okay. Got the subroutine right here, which should help me just a little bit. I know I'm gonna lose this Band-Aid solution, but I will have to use it. Ah, this is bad. Okay, now here's where daydreaming can come in handy. Oh, there's debug. Vertical scaling. Expires when the counter reaches 0. Okay, so if I just let it go, it'll be fine, right? Maybe. So I don't know if I want to play debug here just yet, but I think I'll do daydreaming. Okay, so for sure the harmless bug's not going to do anything to me. Okay, I might have an idea. Alright, so that... the knit is gonna go away. Okay, so vertical scaling is not a bug. That's fine. I'm gonna end up losing daydreaming, so that's fine. Ah, that is so bad. Oh no. Oh, that is not looking good for me. Oh shoot. Oh, this is bad. No! -8? Oh god. Oh, that was terrible. Oh, good lord. Oh, give me the influence mod. And that is gonna go right onto Band-Aid. Yeah, okay, for sure. Yeah, here we go. So if bug equals false, then it should be like 3 turns for debug. Should. I think moving around AI Copilot would be a good one. Let's see. I don't think it matters who I talk to. Let's see if I talk to Sergey. You come visit me? But you do not come for bugs. I do not have words for you. Why are you here? Wouldn't hurt to bump up my reputation. What's your method for testing? How are the bugs biting lately? Yeah, how are the bugs biting lately? Dangerous question for a developer. There are fangs on your bugs. Do not let your code sink too deep. Read it. Concentration. Solution cannot be removed by delete. Okay. Give me teamwork. Because I need more influence. Career development with the dev manager. Oh, touching base again? What can I help you with? Bad impression on Cecilia? Yeah. So you discovered one of our office rivalries. Know that anything that goes on between those two has nothing to do with you. But that being said, they will play favorites. Of course. Of course they will. Back? Why did you not save your words then for now? Choose well. Launch will not be bug-free. But a bug is not real until the user notices it. Huh. Choose company swag. Oh god, they're using that. Ugh. Hostile bug. Gain 2 reputation when depleted. It's got 2 code and 5 influence. Severe bug, yeah. Oh, it's got a shield. Set code to 1 at the end of each turn. Okay. You know what? I do want to do this, but I also want to try the severe bug. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so I'm not too worried about the moderate bug right here. Only outputs code. This one outputs code and influence. So I would say if I put the inspired idea right here, that'll keep me protected for a bit. And then I do have enough to play... Oh, hold on. If I play Daydreaming, There, that'll build up my concentration. Oh! Right. I forgot about the headphones. Oh, perfect. It moved right in the way. Okay, so I do have enough for the lo-fi hip-hop to gain concentration. Alright. Yeah, okay. I don't have to worry about the bar on the left for code, so that's good. And... yeah, so with this major bug, I am going to lose the lo-fi hip-hop. Alright, I know how to get rid of that major bug. Yeah, it would have to be... I do want to play debug, but I can't remember if it'll disappear on my turn. Okay, moderate bug has been destroyed. There's that severe bug, so that's gotta go. Alright. Oh! Let's see. Nitpick. No valid targets. Oh! Oh, I think the AI Copilot bugged out. Well, that's not good. Concentration too low. No target. Oh my god. Oh, this is bad. I might actually lose. I really do need something to at least get rid of... Yeah, both the severe and hostile bugs do output code and influence, so I'm kind of screwed here. I can at least try and drop the severity if I can. Ugh. Ah! Oh, I am so done for. Yeah, it looks like I might be terminated. God, oh no, 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 no. Yeah, there's nothing I can do. Oh, that AI Copilot got screwed over real bad. Granola bar, help me. Oh, gee, thanks. Basic code. That's real helpful. Yep, this is it for me. Oh, that's my coffee. Oh, what was I supposed to do? Oh, come on! We're reallocating resources. Oh. Well, crap. Alright, so that was the demo for Dev Hell. And hell is correct. Oh god, this was This was a learning experience for sure, but oh my god, did I bite off more than I could chew. I thought I could take on those severe bugs, but that ruined me in the end, and I couldn't even finish my second sprint. I could try to hop back in and finish it, but that it would take up a little bit too much time. I've already spent more than an hour trying to get through this, and it's just... oh boy. That aside, this game makes me think. Makes me think a lot more than a lot of other deck builders out there. It's fun. It's fun learning about how to get code and influence to work against the other problems you have to go up against. And yeah, this is a little bit more difficult than I thought. Like, more difficult than some of the other deck builders and roguelikes that I've played in the past. So, yeah. I'm kind of looking forward to this one. Because I want to prove myself better than what I did now. I know I can do better, and I can fix the mistakes that I have made. Like, this is a good game, and I am honestly looking forward to it. And if there's anything that I really need to say about this is that, like the thing with the AI co-pilot that I was experiencing, it could have been with the mod where it's trying to move to an empty space, but it couldn't, and it just kind of bugged out. So I have no idea what could have happened really. So yeah, if there's any way to make it so that if there are no empty spaces, that the car just doesn't move at all, and it keeps it from trying to move like out of bounds or anything like that. It's like I couldn't select the card for anything, not even like burning it out or something like that, which was weird. But other than that, yeah, this one's good. It's one I'm actually looking forward to. Seeing if I can actually make it through the game a little bit more. And yep, yeah, like I said, hell is correct. This game is hard. But with that being said, I did enjoy my time with this. So, thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you all later. Bye!